Grab that thing that's down there. Grab it. Just hold that up.
Where did you get this?
Best 20 bucks I ever spent. Saves me like a half hour on my commute.
Okay.
Dude, just hold it. Hold it way up.
Truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
You've requested a divorce by the state of California citing irreconcilable differences. Is this correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is Michael O'Donnell present?
No, Your Honor.
Then I take his absence as agreement to the orders of the divorce. Let's proceed. You are not requesting sole custody?
No, Your Honor.
You can't handle the truth!